I think I'm recording. Let me check. Am I? I am. Okay.
Yay! You're recording. Congrats.
Yay, dude.
Time to expand the pig farm.
Yes, expanding our
That's what
overpowered
we're
pig
doing.
farm. This is gonna be great.
He
No, I'm not
literally
using
mentioned.
bad lion. I hate this. I can't zoom. Ugh.
Oh, that's so
My bad
annoying.
lion crashed or something. I couldn't.
Are clients even allowed on Cubecraft?
No, duh. I hope. I mean, this is
Imagine we
this is
just
all we
said.
do on
Imagine you
Cubecraft.
just said that you're not using Badline. It's not allowed, and someone just reports you.
Uh oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
when someone just
I
reports
just
us.
leaked my Minecraft name. Whoops. Oopsie. Uh-oh.
What's so bad about your Minecraft name?
How else would they report me? Dot, dot, dot.
Oh yeah. Just make sure. Just don't type anything in chat, because then they're gonna know your Minecraft name.
I already clicked
Just
tab, my
don't press
guy.
tab.
I
Don't
already,
tab. Don't
that's
tab.
how I leaked it. I pressed tab.
Oh,
Yeah, I would
do you hold
honestly.
it or just press it?
I held it. Whoops.
Oh, for how long?
I've been holding it for a solid minute now. I'm holding it right now.
What? Oh, you're kidding.
Kacheka, mate.
Are you still live?
Yeah, I'm not live.
You're
I'm
on Discord?
recording.
Well, no, you're not. Okay. No, are you live on Discord? Like, no, you're not. Okay, good.
Alrighty.
I was just
So,
making
do
sure
I
you're
just
not live
do we just
on
need a bunch of
Discord.
wood? Are we gonna expand this thing?
Yeah, we have a bunch of wood already. Do we
I know.
not?
I have wood in my inventory.
Oh, I
I
don't have
just
wood
saw
on
the
my.
most disappointing jungle tree ever.
What?
Oh no!
How long is the dark oak tree? How long is it? Like
I
2 days and what?
I don't know. Can you turn your headset volume down a little bit? I'm hearing a little bit of an echo.
Discord?
No, your headset volume. Like turn what you hear down. Like if you have
Um,
a yeah
is that better?
yeah. No, I still hear the
Okay.
reverb.
Just restart Discord then.
In the middle
That's what
of
I
a
did.
recording, dude.
Just do it.
Uh,
You probably shouldn't, but you.
don't explode. Don't explode, you stupid. Okay.
Oh, did a creeper almost explode?
Bruh, look at these pigs!
How much pigs are there?
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna,
Do I have an
I
echo?
missed the pig, and I land on the chest. This is going just great.
Am I still echoing?
A little bit, yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Let's just hope I don't echo on the vid.
Yeah,
That'd
let's
be
just hope they can
bad.
hear you in the vid, unlike our last 30-minute video.
Oh god. Oh, I saw the creeper. You blinked for 1 second.
Oh, I saw the
There's
creeper.
no
He
creepers. You're
blinked.
good. Well, we need to make a whole new layer. So we need to equal up the walls over
How am
here.
I not hitting these animals, man? Bro, it's stupid how I'm not hitting them.
I'm not jumping down there just to get a block placement.
Sheesh. Those chests are full.
Oh, no. Yeah, I can't get to that. 2 creepers just spawned at the same time.
Alrighty.
I'm just equaling up the walls. So we can
Okay,
expand the
my
height.
dad just came in my room and asked me for a flashlight. That was great. I don't mind though.
I should probably use normal blocks and save the slabs for floors.
You can literally turn a normal block into a slab for less than free.
Oh, well, I just read something. Charged creepers. I just noticed a charged creeper spawn. A charged creeper actually just spawned.
No, I didn't want to kill it. Check out
What?
this wall block clutch. Check out
I'm
this
not
water
gonna.
bucket clutch. Oh.
As long as the creeper doesn't explode at the lava level, that would be bad.
Dude, this thing has burned our world down so many times.
Yeah, I know. But it gives us so much money.
It's so worth it though.
You know what we should do sometime? We should just get a boat, hit the charged creepers, because as long as you hit them, when they die, it'll count as a kill, I'm pretty sure. No! I saw that. Ray, I saw that.
This is gonna be an embarrassing video. Just me
No,
dying.
no, just pretend it never happened. That never happened.
Hey, yo, I'm surprised
What?
I
Just
haven't
cut
had
it
my
out. Cut it
first-
out. Cut it
No,
out.
I don't know how to edit. I'm surprised I haven't had my first death ever in Skyblock yet, man. So
Yeah,
cool how
yeah.
I've never died.
Okay, so there's something I want to do, because I want to do the design that I did for that one. Or should we literally just have a whole nother layer? Like, just right on top of it.
Just right on, like, maybe a little bit higher?
No, I don't think we need it higher. I don't think we need it higher. Plus, it's okay if they spawn on top of here, because here's just gonna be water. They're probably not. There's no way they spawn that high. This is good. This is good.
Alright, I should finally be able to hit my wall block MLG's clutch save.
We still haven't sold the pork. The idea was literally to sell the pork first thing. And
Hey, I did a wall block clutch, but I still died, and I used like a stack of blocks. Gosh, I missed my best.
Oh, the amount of pigs. It's just gonna lag my game.
I missed
Like, whenever you come up here, your ping just goes up to like 100. I hate it.
Yeah, and I can't check my ping because my bad lion didn't work!
I have 130 ping.
How much am I at?
My daily, like, my average is like, I don't even know, to be honest. I honestly don't even know my average.
Oh, are we just gonna drop these pigs down into this area, into this water?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
So we're doing.
genius. Alright, I'll start building up the wall. And I can't even see my CPS or the time in the corner.
Oh.
I want that before I
Wait, hold on. How high was this one?
Tell your brother to stop playing Fortnite. He's playing Fortnite in the background of our recording.
Is that 3? No, it's not 3. Wait, hold on. I can't see with F5. What if I do F5 and F1? Oh, I can't see that. Wait, no, I can. Kind of. 1, 2, 3. I'm pretty sure that's 6 high.
Darn. I wanted to show my one viewer who is you. The glitch that you already know.
I'm the 1 sub. We need subscribers.
Yes. Say it louder.
Yeah, I've already stolen like 2 people's talkies.
I know. If you don't subscribe, we take your talkies. It's just how.
Yeah, it's just what we do. Wait, is this 7? Oh, this is 8. Okay. Oh, I need a lot more wood. Do you have any logs? Or planks? I need wood.
Ooh, that sucks, doesn't it? Water bucket clutch and get some, dude. Yeah.
I don't have a water bucket. Should I just jump into the creeper pit?
No, I'm gonna 360 throw you my water bucket. You ready?
No, is it about to burn?
Yeah, it burned. I need leaves. Oh yeah, the creeper pit's a great idea.
What?
Oh.
What?
I jumped into the creeper pit. Let's go, dude. Easy. I call that easy. Easy.
Yeah, that's pretty easy. How do we have 9 hay in the chest? It just doesn't make sense. There's a few slabs in there. Should we just use acacia for it?
Oh, yeah. I made a firefighter chest in case there was ever a fire again, and somebody dumped their entire inventory in it.
Oh, this was it?
Yeah.
Well, this is not my inventory. I see all the water.
This was
Yeah,
supposed to be a
someone just dumped her
firefighter's
inventory.
chest. Like, come on, dude. That was
You
in
should
case
have
there
put
was
a
ever a
sign on it.
fire.
I didn't put it though.
Because firefighters are great, dude. They're brave and
We have
they
4
save
extra sugar
cats.
cane.
Place it. Plant it.
I don't want to plant it right now. Let's wait for it to grow. Well, overnight it's gonna be grown, so it doesn't matter. Just place it. How long is this? Estimated time 5 hours. Okay.
Get a boost.
So there's already like 4 boosts on it.
Oh.
The estimated time is 5 hours.
I don't know who that boost was from. What?
Yeah, there's 4. There's 5 active boosts. We can't apply more boosts.
Oh, whoops. I wonder who did that. How many spawners are we going to buy? Same amount? I feel like this entire thing would like collapse. It's so full.
Yeah. Should we only have pigs on there?
Well, we definitely aren't getting any more sheeps or creeps.
Yeah, there's no use of getting those. No use.
Alright, it's done. Legit. All we have to do is add
No,
the
you know what I'm
spawns.
gonna do on the duo? When we start the duo, I'm just gonna press everyone. Like with how fast I can make it past the oak forest. Like I'm literally gonna speed run
Dude,
doing
it's
it. And I'm
literally,
gonna get
we're
the
already
world
done.
record.
Are we just gonna do one level?
What?
Are we legit just gonna do one level? Because it's already done.
No, it's not. We need water. How
I
much
already
water
put
do you
in
need?
water.
We need. Do you have 2 water buckets
Yeah.
on you?
I already did it!
Oh my god! No, we're gonna have a lot more than 1 level, I guess.
Yes.
No, these walls are not high enough because it's 6 high, is it not?
I'm
That's
sorry,
1,
I don't
2,
know the
3,
exact
4,
measurements it's supposed to be.
5. Oh god, no.
I didn't just explode a creeper and quite possibly flood our entire world with lava. What?
No, it didn't. Don't worry. It was in the water.
Oh.
This looks so cool from up here, though. This actually looks really cool from up here.
I wonder if if I'm muted in this recording, I swear, dude.
Oh, what? Make sure you're not muted.
I thought you were. Ah!
Do you think that was a creeper?
And I fell, yeah.
You're not even up here.
Yeah, because I fell, because I scared the crap out of myself. Alright, hey,
I scared the crap out of you. That was easy, though.
Let's go! I block clutched and I died. Let's go, dude. This is why you have all the money. Because there's me.
Yeah, it just dies all the time.
Hey, man. Not nice.
The only one that knows how to not die.
Rise never dies.
True, I mean, he spends all of his time in that one corner where he can't die.
I mean, you're not wrong, but you didn't have to say it. I mean, I got a weird itchy thing on.
I'm pretty sure I'm like the only one on here that does work without dying. I'm like the only one.
But
Here
I'm the
that
only
does
one who
work
does
without
work
dying.
with dying, because nobody else does work.
I mean, that's fine.
Is it true or not?
No, I just fell. I can't.
Wrecked. I wish I had
Make a
full
little-
bright right now, dude. Oh my gosh, dude.
It's like, man, I wish like you could see my screen because I'm just gonna hold down tab. Wait, oh, you left the other one. You're the back.
Oh
You're
my
left.
god. Bro, why do I have so much wood?
It's like clients aren't allowed in Cubecraft and they just report us because they can look in chat and see your name. And when you were holding down tab.
Oh, well, yeah, I didn't hold, oh, I almost just jumped off. Oh, I would disconnect glitch, but I think it would end my record. Nah, probably not. I don't really care.
No, because you did it last video.
Oh, yeah, didn't I fail it last video?
Yeah. You like disconnected 3 different times and still failed.
It was great.
Did you really have to go on that buggy though? Did you really have to go on that buggy? By the way, I'm making a third floor. The pig farm.
I block clutched and died, dude. That's insane.
This is gonna look so cool when you have all the pigs on it.
Do you not realize how overflowed this thing is gonna be?
Yeah, like.
Cause every pig spawner, like, dude, we're gonna be like we're gonna have to expand the chest area next video.
Well, I don't. Yeah, that's our video idea. We could probably do 2 vids every day.
I'm going somewhere
I have
tonight.
like.
I'm spending the night
Oh
somewhere.
no, I didn't mean to say that. I'm
At 8 o'clock
totally a
tonight.
grown man that doesn't have school. I did not mean to say I have school. I did not mean
Mine
to say
starts
that.
a
I'm
week from
totally a
today.
grown man that doesn't have
We
school.
should start streaming.
Yeah, we should stream us doing whatever. Expanding. Yeah, that's what we should do. We should stream while we expand. We should just start streaming.
Yeah, and then I would like spend most of my
We
time
should be.
reading chat. And you
Oh,
would
by
do
the way, guys, subscribe to Turtlebird because he's actually he's a really good man. He gave us a lot of tips because we're probably eventually gonna make a cacti farm with like 100% collecting rate if the bug still works. You can put cacti in hoppers. Oh, guys, by the way, we forgot to. Well, yeah, we forgot to mention it last video. We're sorry. Or I'm sorry, because he didn't even know about it.
No. I
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
just do whatever, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I saw the link to that. I saw the link.
Do we have to go any higher, dude? Or is...
3 layers is probably enough. I mean, the third
No, I
layer
mean,
should.
like on these walls.
No, we're just going 6 high.
Oh, I'm using OBS to record, and I clicked extremely large file size and good recording quality, so this is going to be like overnight to upload.
He's so bad.
Oh, God. Oh, no. That's a bad thing, right?
Terrible, yeah. I got the water. No!
Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'll break it.
Sorry for yelling.
Are you just gonna disconnect, Clutch? We just disconnect.
Alright.
We have 3 layers.
Alright, we just
This
gotta
is
use...
amazing.
Is this the end of the video, or are we gonna buy the spawners, or not?
We need to buy the spawners, do we not?
Yeah, I say we should get, like, the same amount of spawners as the first level. Cause, I mean, just look at this madness.
Yeah.
Oh, should I go down there with the creepers? Frick it. You can't even see it! Oh, they moved! I couldn't disconnect because I was so used to Badlion client. No. Oh, this is a super smelter I made.
Oh, that was actually perfect timing.
What was?
I got perfect timing on the disconnect clutch. It was literally like a millimeter away from the ground when I left.
That's not perfect timing. That's near death.
That was actually like
spider
perfect timing though.
It's not very effective, to be honest.
Yes, I timed the lever.
Oh.
Timed the lever.
Apparently it is effective. Wow, okay. Or maybe
No, this is trash. Not effective.
Hey, don't insult Kaz. Our friend from Turkey made this.
Can they climb on glass? I don't know. Can they?
I don't know.
I know how to make a spider farm though. You can't have a drop.
Just tell Rise to make another drowning farm.
Yeah.
This is Kaz's, the one from Turkey. This is his house. That was incredibly hard.
We have string at least.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I just noticed. No, we need to put a slab above here. We need to put a slab above this chest. I'm not even kidding. It literally is showing our secret chest.
What's secret?
It's
Oh.
showing. Wait, no, that's not.
Wait, is our secret chest still standing?
Yeah.
I'm showing it on video. No, it's not.
Wait, what do you mean it's not?
Is it on the second story or the first?
It's on one of them.
I don't have full bright. I'm blind, man.
Wait, no, it wasn't that. Wait, hold on. That was not the. It was not the one. I don't know what I was saying. What chest was that under the chest, though? Was that someone's secret chest? It was second story, I think.
It is a secret chest. Wow, they got gravel, iron. This might be Kaz's.
Was it first story?
This isn't ours.
Oh, someone covered it with this log. Maybe this log covered it.
Are you
These
just
logs
do
have
I
been
just
covered.
jump into the void now?
I don't know.
Oh,
I have
anyway.
no clue where the secret chest went.
How long have I been recording for? Jeez, man.
Am I in there recording?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
do they really want to watch me sell pork for half an hour?
No, I'm gonna be selling the pork, right?
I'm just gonna end the video. We're gonna sell all of our
Yeah.
pork.
We'll sell the pork, place the pigs. Next video will show you.
Yeah. Next.
Bye.
Will the next video be today or?
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.